1957 and 1961, just short of 10,000 XK150 Roadsters, fixed head and dropped head coupés were built and sold. It was distinctively different from its predecessor, the XK140, with its curved one-piece windscreen, wider grille and high wing line along the sides. Although in production for just 4 years, the 150 legacy lived on under the hood in thousands of E-types that followed during the next decade. In fact, the Series 1 E-Type was powered by the very same 3.8-litre straight-six XK6 engine that drove the beefed-up XK150S. And boy, what an engine! It pumped out 265 brake horsepower. When the 150 launched in 1957, standard equipment included a 3.4-litre twin cam, capable of over 130 miles per hour. But in February of '59, Jaguar added a chrome S insignia, along with triple SU carburetors, a dual exhaust system, beefed-up suspension and larger disc brakes. And the 150 didn't just pack a punch under the hood. It came with a beautiful interior that featured stylish leather throughout. Roll-up windows and door handles were also new features, which until then were not considered essential equipment on sports cars of the day. And the result was a combination of excellent performance and handling with a level of comfort and luxury rarely seen in sports cars. Its front end, unlike its successor, maintained a traditional look with classic round headlights, the vertical chrome grille, and of course the famous Jaguar badge. And then there's those familiar twin chrome exhausts that remind us of the raw power hidden beneath this graceful exterior and of the XK heritage.